Just look at this. This is a beef burger with a topping of an egg. We've got cheddar cheese, grilled onion. Absolutely brilliant. So we'll do the unboxing and we are going to show you what this burger is all about. Okay guys, welcome to the channel. और आज हम करेंगे लाइव अनबॉक्सिंग. Probably not live for you but live for me. और क्योंकि हम लेने नहीं गए इसलिए हमने ऑर्डर किया है from Burger Bros. Let's see ये अनबॉक्सिंग कैसे होती है. First we got the fries. ये कॉम्बो डील हमने मंगाई है. ये एक्वा बर्गर है कोई इनका विद बेसिकली फिश बर्गर. तो ये हैंड कट फ्राइज है, आप इस पे फोकस कर सकते हैं. अब इसको हम थोड़ा जैपनीज तरीके से अनबॉक्स करेंगे इस तरह. So this is the first one. This is the Aqua Bro Spicy. Let me take it out. And now let me take a bite. Ten out of 10, nothing less. बहुत अच्छा है. और यहाँ फिश बर्गर वैसे ही बहुत कम मिलते हैं मिसिसागा में, तो फॉर दैट आई गिव इट 10 out of 10. दिस इज गुड. Fries are also very good. These are the regular hand cut fries. I've had them before, so but still they are good. Now what we have. This is the Bro Burger. So I guess the Bro Burger is beef burger, and this is the small beef burger. Just look at the size. This is the small one. Let me have a bite. Okay, I'll tell you the plus points. Since I eat beef burger a lot, the size is good. And no complaints. The taste is also good. So, as a burger fan, I must say, total for both of them, the whole package, I'll give it 9.5 out of 10. And let me tell you their name again. The name is, let me tell you the name. Yeah, they are Burger Bros, and the Mississauga branch. We're talking about the Mississauga branch. Do check them out. I'll give you a final look of the product. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel.